guys, I just wanted to hop on and show you really quickly what I've been doing with this month's journaling bundle. So this is very celestial themed. I absolutely love it. So this is the prompt for me for this month. I have the 5 things I am most proud of, and I wanted to just kind of share it with you how I set it up. So I have a Dutch door here. So this is just like the beginning of May, and then I just started using my celestial kit after this. So here I have some of the elements from the kit in here, some of the big deco, the washi, some of the washi strips from inside of the kit, and then just the 5 things that I am most proud of right now. So that's my prompt. I'll leave it here if you want to read it. It's not that it's super exciting, but it's just something. And then I wanted to show you that using some more of the kit, this is the vellum, and then this is a little card that has like a nice little focus on the steps in front of you, not the whole staircase. And then I used like the relax and the little mask over here. So this was Cocoa Daisy, like an extra leftover from Cocoa Daisy. And then over here is all of I used the Monday through Sunday for a gratitude tracker. So I've got my gratitude here. I've got a little to-do list. I've got my, what I'm reading this month right here. I started the book Relentless, and then some more of the deco is on here. So then when you flip the page, this is all of my trackers for the first 2 weeks. So this is the 1st through the 7th, the 8th through the 14th. Haven't gotten any further, but I will finish out the month. And I just put down, like, I have a sleep tracker here and the reason why I'm not getting any sleep, and then like a little exercise, what I'm doing every day, what my goals are. This is my calorie tracker. Didn't do calorie tracker for this week because we were on vacation and I would have just cried every day if I did that. Some of the priorities, and then my medication tracking. So I also did medication tracking over here. Since I take my medicines every other day, I have to kind of put down, and so that I remember that I took it that day and not that, you know what I mean. Anyway, some habits, and then this is the other sleep tracker for the other week, and got like no sleep this week, and that was because I was on vacation, and my clock was all messed up, so no sleep there at all. And then here is, I haven't filled out any further. I am very, very far behind on my journaling, but I have it set up and ready to go. So this is like the to-do stuff. So this is the important stuff for the month of May. So I call it my to-do list. I've got like what my work hours are. And for this one, it's just for the first 2 weeks, but I may do it for the whole month. It depends on how I fill this out, what my appointments are for the month, some of my priorities, tasks, notes, that kind of stuff. And then I decorated it. And then the next few pages is all of the journaling prompts when I want to just sit down and practice my hand lettering and just kind of do a brain dump, kind of filling out some of these different journaling prompts. My favorite one is going to be an unforgettable dream. That one's going to be my favorite one because it's very this celestial, dreamy, kind of sleepy kit. And I thought that would be a perfect one for this. And then there's the rest of them. And then that's as far as I've gotten so far. So I do have still quite a bit of stuff left over to continue going, which I will continue out the last 2 weeks of the month in here. And then it's going to be time to start a new journal. We're almost to the end. Right now I'm still in this one because I actually have several journals. So this isn't the only one that I use. I have like 3 of them, 3 or 4 here. I'll show you just so that you can see. It's some of them, it's a little crazy. So here's a couple more of the journals that I'm using. So these are the Hubman and Chubb Girls. This one is my shop journal, which I've showed before. This one is a doodling journal, which I'm not going to share because I have some things in there that I'm working on. And I have one more. Where did you go? Oh, was it this one? Yeah, this is the newest one that I got. Isn't this adorable? This one is so stinking cute. I haven't started using it yet, but this is going to be my next shop journal because this one's basically full. So I'm going to replace it with this one. But how stinking cute is this? I just absolutely love this. This is Hubman and Chubb Girl, and it was a freebie that I got with one of my orders, and I love all the little doodles on the front. So anyway, I use a lot of Hubman and Chubb Girl journals because I started with them, but I really, and just so you know, we have 1 more month of this size journal, and then we're going to this size journal right here. So just letting you know that this journal is going to get smaller, so just so it's easier to transport, because this size journal right here has a lot of places that you can stuff it into as far as like covers and whatnot, whereas this one is a little bit bigger. So this is like a European size style journal, and I wanted to go more with the A5. So we're getting the A5 journals after the next one. So we have one more month in this size journal, and then we're cutting down to this size journal right here. So anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It gave you a couple of ideas on stuff that you can use your Celestial. I can't wait to see what you guys are doing with it. I've seen a few things that are uploaded. I hope you guys upload more stuff to the May journaling pages, so that way we can all share in all of your journaling stuff, and plus you'll be able to get, you know, into the drawing at the end of the month for the $25 credit. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.